Delicious and easy 4-ingredient shortbread. To a large bowl, add 170 grams of room temperature salted butter. Using a hand mixer, blend the butter on medium speed until combined. Add 60 grams of icing sugar or confectionery sugar. Mix with hand beater on medium speed until mixture is well combined and a pale yellow colour. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. Sift 180 grams of plain flour, also known as all-purpose flour. Add 20 grams of corn flour or cornstarch. Mix with the hand beater until crumbly. At this point, use a spatula to combine the rest of the flour. Once the flour mixture is combined, use your hand to bring the shortbread mixture together. Line a baking tray with baking paper. Place the shortbread mixture onto the tray and flatten by gently sliding your palm over the mixture. Using something straight, I've used a pastry scraper. Gently press the shortbread into a square shape. Place the shortbread into a 180-degree preheated oven for 7 to 8 minutes. Remove from oven and slice the shortbread into your desired shape. Using a fork, gently press the fork into each biscuit. This is optional. Sprinkle desired amount of granulated sugar over the shortbread. Place the shortbread back in the oven at 160 degrees for a minimum of 10 minutes. Turn the oven off and leave the shortbread in the oven until cooled. Reslice the shortbread. Now enjoy.